Hey guys, welcome back. I've been using Avasocial for a while now, and here's what I think. Avasocial is a mobile trading app linked to AvaTrade. It focuses on copy trading. This means you can automatically copy the trades of more experienced traders instead of placing every trade yourself. The app is built mainly for beginners and casual traders who want guidance. When you sign up, you connect Avasocial to an AvaTrade account. Inside the app, you can browse a list of traders. Each trader profile shows performance history, risk score, number of followers, and trading style. This gives you a clear view before deciding who to copy. One of the key features is risk control. You choose how much money to allocate to each trader. You can also set limits to stop copying if losses reach a certain level. This helps you manage risk, although it does not remove it completely. Avasocial mainly offers trading in Forex and CFDs. This means you are trading price movements, not owning actual stocks or currencies. Leverage is available, which can increase both profits and losses. It is important to understand how leverage works before trading. The app is clean and easy to use. It is designed for mobile devices, so everything is simple to navigate. You can track open trades, see profit or loss in real time, and stop copying at any moment. In terms of safety, Avasocial operates under AvaTrade, which is regulated in several regions. Regulation adds a level of oversight, but trading always carries risk. Past results from traders do not guarantee future profits. There is no separate subscription fee for Avasocial itself. However, normal trading costs like spreads and fees still apply through the broker. Overall, Avasocial is a convenient option for those interested in social trading. It offers transparency, mobile access, and basic risk tools. While it is not risk-free, it can be helpful for users who want a more guided trading experience.